Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I want to show you a craft today that goes along with our summer reading program theme, which is tales and tales. So it can be tales such as stories, fairy tales, or animals, animal tales. So all those things go along with our theme. So today I thought that we would make some magic wands or wizard wands or whatever you want to call them. I made that one to show you, and this one. They're all so pretty. You know, there's a wide variety of things you can do. I just cut out a star and I used a popsicle stick and I glued on pom-poms and sequins. Just dig around in your craft supplies and you can use whatever you have on hand. As far as the star is concerned, I think cardstock of some sort that's thicker than construction paper is best. And then you just glue the star onto your popsicle stick and glue whatever you want onto the popsicle stick and on the star to make it pretty and sparkly. Or in this case, if it's a wizard wand, it just really will be appealing to your grandchild or grandchildren. And I would recommend taping the ribbons. If you use ribbons, taping them on the back with some heavy-duty tape. Otherwise, I stapled them on, but staples are not, you know, real safe for children, so I would recommend taping them on. So that's what I have for you today. Wands, wizard wands, fairy wands, whatever you want to call them. And I think they're a lot of fun. I hope you think so too. Bye. Happy crafting.